All right, we're back at this drainage job here in Bowie today. We're gonna take a look, see what's going on here. See what's going on. See what's going on here. Yeah. Edwin, question for you. That job in Glen Burnie, I heard we need a cap for the 2-inch.
Yeah, he's a couple of inch on the top, and also a papa. But I don't know papa because the pump is very strong, a lot of water coming, and the papa, I don't know, just go fast water, I don't know.
Okay, but the 2-inch, could we just turn the elbow back?
Yeah, he needs something here, he no let it open.
Yeah.
I think so, maybe put a little, open a little screw, something, you know, in the top.
I know, but I would have never left it like that. I would go up, elbow over, and straight nipple, and then an elbow down.
No, it's here, see?
Oh, for there.
Yeah.
Well, what am I looking at here?
Oh, no, he wants something at the top of the pipe.
Yeah. Well, he thinking maybe going something inside, customers.
Yeah, but go back to one. No, that's exactly what I'm saying. All we have to do there is put an elbow on, a nipple, elbow down, and that would have been fine.
Yeah.
Follow me? We'll get him something. Don will take care of it tomorrow. Okay.
Maybe we could just buy a cap and drill holes in the top.
Yeah. And also he thought out for the papa, or I don't know.
Well, I'll take the pop up and take the spring out of it. Yeah, so it can flow. Yeah. That's what I would do.
So tell that to Donnie tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So everything good else there?
Yeah.
So you did good.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, we going swimming today or what? This is something new?
Yeah.
This is what you're talking about earlier?
Yeah, suppose outside the car, a lot of water here, but over there is higher.
Well, why don't you just tell it not to rain so much?
Oh God. Hello?
Yeah, I told the guys maybe put the one base here,
One basin?
one more here, and one here. So that will put
Which way are you going to take the water?
to there, to the other one.
Going to have enough fall?
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah, I hook it up the last box to right there, close to the trees.
The one that you had Donnie had him put next to the sprinkler
The
head.
last box, and that one over the over here is higher the pipe. I need to put all these pipes go to the last box.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah. I think there's 270 more feet and put one, I think put one more box to right there too.
Okay, I got you. And what do you, that was sprinkler head here.
Yeah, this is the,
That's the box?
yeah, this is this purple flash and I put the teeth right there.
Okay. Yeah, that's a whole lot better going that way than that way.
What?
That's the way versus there, for sure.
Yeah, that's good right here.
If not, you, if not, you put it over there.
No,
But
to there go to the neighbor.
I know, but apparently there's an easement there. There's some community property, but still much better over here. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Apparently we're allowed to do it that way, but this is a lot better.
yeah, I put it right here.
What do you think, Claudia? You don't think? You're just doing it today? Claudia said it's Friday. I'm just
For
working.
you, so that's good, right?
A lot of roots.
Yeah, a lot of room.
Claudia, you want to work Saturday and Sunday with us? No? You're not very friendly today. I don't know what it is. I thought we were friends. No, no more. How much fall did you have there? What'd your level say? Good? Is that what your level said? It popped up. It popped up. It said good. Sore back. How are you, bud?
Better now with the coffee.
Oh, that's right. When I saw you last, you were coffeeless.
Yes.
How many cups did you have? 2?
Black, just one.
Black?
Black cup, yeah.
That fired you up though, huh? Lit the fuse. All right, we got to head to another job site. You ready? Come on, let's head on out. Felix, I'll see you later on. Come on. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.